Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to record only new episodes on YouTube TV. Are you tired of your DVR being cluttered with reruns of shows you've already seen? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to configure your YouTube TV recordings so you only capture the fresh, never-before-seen episodes. We'll cover the setting you need to adjust and explain how it works. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tech for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your streaming services. Your support helps us create more content like this.
Alright, let's get started.
First, open up the YouTube TV app on your device. This works pretty much the same whether you're using a smart TV, a streaming stick, or even the YouTube TV website on your computer. Next, navigate to the Library tab. You'll usually find it along the bottom of the screen, or on the left-hand side if you're on a computer. Now, find the show that you want to adjust the recording settings for. If you haven't recorded it before, search for it using the search bar at the top. Once you've found the show, click on it. This will take you to the show's details page. Here's the important part. You should see a record button, or if you are already recording the show, a recording options button. Click on that.
A menu will pop up.
Inside that menu, you'll see options like Record New and Reruns, or Record New Episodes Only. Make sure to select Record New Episodes Only.
Asterisk.
And that's it. You've successfully configured YouTube TV to only record new episodes of that show. Now, let's talk about a couple of things to keep in mind. First, YouTube TV relies on accurate episode metadata to determine what's new and what's a rerun. Sometimes, if the TV network doesn't provide the correct information, a rerun might be mistakenly marked as a new episode, or vice versa. This is rare, but it can happen. Second, if you've already been recording a show for a while, and then you change the setting to record only new episodes, YouTube TV won't automatically delete all the existing reruns from your DVR. You'll need to manually delete those if you want to free up space. Finally, remember that this setting is show-specific. So you'll need to repeat these steps for each show that you want to record only new episodes of. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to keep your YouTube TV DVR organized and clutter-free. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there are other YouTube TV features you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.